Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the recovery email you previously set and making sure you can access that inbox. This is the essential key. Once done, use a familiar device and network because Google checks signals to verify identity. Open Gmail Recovery Flow at Accounts. Google com/signin/recovery and enter the account email. Make sure to type accurately and watch for a verification code sent to the recovery email. You will need that code to prove ownership before proceeding to reset options. You now retrieve the verification code sent to the recovery address and act quickly because codes expire fast. Once you request the code, open the recovery mailbox and search for messages from Google, checking spam, promotions, and filters. If you don't see it, request resend and wait a minute before checking again. Repeated attempts can lock you out temporarily. After you paste the code into the recovery page, Google will validate ownership and either let you choose a new password or prompt for additional confirmation steps. You finish by choosing a strong new password and immediately updating recovery options to prevent future lockouts. Make sure to save it in a password manager. Once the code verifies, follow prompts to set the new password and review connected devices and security settings. If the code fails or you lose access to the recovery email, use Google's account recovery form and supply as many account details as possible, recent passwords, creation date, and frequently used locations as a critical troubleshooting step to reestablish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.